friends and family, Romans, countrymen, and hamsters. This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what you're going to do with your noodles. Yeah, you better. And today I've got something fancy from Japan. So this is from 7-Eleven Japan. You can tell from the 7-Eleven logo there. But it's made by Nissin. And this is a spicy Mongolian miso. That's what they're calling it. And I saw an article about it and another one that they were supposedly like new really spicy ones out of Japan. And I thought, hey, I want to try that. So I looked around. I found them both on eBay, but there was this one which you could get two of for like $12 and free shipping. And then there was the other one which you had to buy 6 and spend $50 plus pay like $13 shipping. I was like, no, Jack, I'll go with you. So let's make some, and then it'll be used in a spicy noodle mukbang video that I'll be doing after this. So when you see this video, that'll have already happened. So go to the channel, look for the playlists, and look in spicy noodle mukbang, and you'll see a picture of that cup. And yeah. But anyways, I got 2 cups so I can show you what the cup looks like unopened. But here is what was, or what is within one of these cups. One real quick note right here. If you ever get instant noodles from Japan, right there, you'll see something usually, not all the time, but on cups and bowls, it'll have like a small number and a big number. 5 is the amount of minutes, 400 milliliters obviously is the amount of water. This sucker has been microwaved for like 3 minutes, 1250 watt microwave, ultra hot. So there go the noodles, and here's the loose seasoning, of which there is a lot, and then here's the 5 minutes. And usually when I do it this way, I just like give it a flip and let it kind of chill a bit. Make sure the whole thing gets coated in liquid, and we are good to go. So anyways, what is going on with y'all? It is Friday here. And we can't forget that. On instant noodles in Japan, on the lid, like on this lid, liquid seasoning. Not on all of them, but on quite a few. It's kind of a weird thing. So, anyways, then me, I've been doing a lot of walking around this week. I think I've gone through what? Yesterday I did 11 miles. I think Tuesday I did 10.3, and I have no clue what I did on Monday. Quite a bit. I would walk a ton. I'm more like 8. But yeah, and it's been hot, and I've been getting sunburnt, I guess. I kept thinking, oh, my allergies are going crazy. I think my eyelids are burnt, but it's the price I pay. I tell you, it's really nice, the whole weight loss thing, because before we had, you know, I was out walking it was like in the 80s, and I'm like, you know, it's like physical activity, a lot of exertion. I'm out there for like 4 to 5 hours chugging along, and I love it now. Before, I would have just been beat down. It would have been too much, but no, not so bad now. So that's cool. I really like being able to enjoy the world around me. Hey. What else have we been doing? Oh, we watched the Mr. Rogers documentary. Mr. Rogers is freaking awesome. I've heard people say some of the stupidest stuff about him. No, Mr. Rogers is rad. He was, at least. That guy, wow. It's like, I don't know what I would do if I had the chance when he was still around to like meet him. I probably would have just started bawling, you know? It's like, that show was an intrinsic part of my childhood, and I don't know, the guy was just so freaking nice. And, you know, all these people just saying, no, that guy who was on the show, that was him. You know, that's just the way he was. But, yeah, definitely. It's called Won't You Be My Neighbor? If you have a chance to check that documentary out, you should totally give it a look-see. What else did we watch? We watched one on Netflix called Rim of the Earth. Kind of like an 80s, here's a whole bunch of kids, Goonies style thing, but not Stranger Things. That was really good. What was the other one? I Am Mother. That was excellent. That was very. That must have been based on somebody's sci-fi novel, because that was really, really good. What else? Oh, we watched the Deadwood movie. I'm totally let down by that. It just felt like a very Brady Christmas. You know what I mean? It was just like, let's get the original cast back together. Let's give them a reason to be together. Let's throw out some drama. And Marsha. I mean, that's really all it was. It was like, okay, here's a way we can make this amazing series never come back. We'll kill Charlie Utter and we'll kill Al Swearingen, and that's it. Done. What's the point, right? Who wants to see Bullock yammering the whole time? I mean, I would be okay with a spin-off like Calamity Jane's Cooking Tips. That would be badass. But I don't think those hoopleheads will come up with something like that. So, anyways. And by the way, hooplehead is not like an ethnic slur. It was actually made up, I believe, for that show. And it just is in general like calling somebody an idiot. But yeah, well, that show, if you've never seen Deadwood, it was an HBO series, and I think they did 3 seasons of it. Died way before its time. Probably one of the finest episodic dramas ever. Yep. Well, now it's time to add this to this. This looks burly before adding anything. Let's take a look at that. I mean, look at this. The noodles look all right. Very thick. And there's lots of, I believe the white chunks are tofu. I mean, it could be potato, but I really, really doubt it. That's more of a curry kind of thing, I'd think. Let's see what we got here. Come on. Ooh, that's dark. Menacing, spicy sauce. Oh, I got on my fingers. Really? That's spicy sauce? Huh. But yeah, the whole thing is like, oh, these new spicy varieties. I think it was Rocket News or somebody. It better be frickin' spicy. I don't like to go out of my way for spicy stuff. I don't like to buy anything on eBay as far as like food. I mean, I'll buy junk that I need, but I have so much ramen to review that it's like, yeah, this better be frickin' amazing. And I don't mean taste-wise. I mean, if it tastes great, that's cool, but I've like now committed saying I'm doing a mukbang. I have to eat this whole thing, and I think it's like 500 calories, which is quite a bit. You know, I try to keep my action around 1,200, and that's even with walking 11 miles, so we'll see. Plus, I mean, when I eat so little, it's very hard to handle like a carb bomb like that. Anyways, enough whining. Put this in here. And by the way, as you probably can guess, I'm not adding anything to this. I'm going to do this as a traditional mukbang. That looks good. Alright. Rotato time. Alright, well, cool. That's it for me. I hope everybody has a good weekend. Enjoy your noodles every day. And, yeah. All you have to do is look on eBay and just look in the title of this video. Search for that, you'll find it. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one, and bye.